But, you know, growing up in, you know, a poor household, we only had so many games. So I was really good at Super Mario World because that's all I had to play and sort of deal.
Yeah.
So by the time I was playing PlayStation stuff, I hadn't really been gaming. So, and I'd never played a Final Fantasy before either. So I played that game for 2 months. My mom thought I had a problem. My mom. I would get up in the morning and I would play until lunch. Break for lunch, and I'd be right back at it. Leveling, like I'd be, you know, walking around the worst places for leveling up, trying to get my level where I thought it needed to be. But I guess now I know that game inside and out.
I remember doing that though.
Those are the days.
Back when I was a kid, I would only get like 1 new game a year, maybe 2. You know, one for Christmas, one for my birthday, maybe.
Yeah.
And then in the intervening months, that's all that you played. That's all you had, right?
Yeah. God forbid it was a bad game, right?
Yeah.
This is like the only game where you see Ratchet's feet. He only has like 2 toes.
Yeah.
Or they're more like 2 claws on the end of stumps.
Yeah, that's one of the weirdest things that I'm finding. Like, the gloves are fine because he still has like big gloves in a lot of the other designs, but those feet, they're like distracting almost. It looks like he's wearing like swimming flippers.
Yeah, I think his feet do get smaller. Now that you talk about it.
And the ears also seem a bit floppier in this one. I think they get more rigid in the next one.
Oh, dog. Oof. What did it just say? I
have no idea. I was not paying attention. I was too busy staring at his feet.
How many ammo?
Couldn't you press like down or up or something?
I think I was trying. There we go. When did I get this gun? Did I buy it?
Yeah.
Jeez, I'm not paying attention.
You did like the little sounds when you got it. Yeah.
Jeez, my memory's bad.
Well, we'll work on that.
Is there a stereotype about Canadians being forgetful?
I don't think so.
Is that why we're always like, well, sorry, eh? Because we just can't remember if we were at fault or not?
That would be funny if that was the actual reason.
Jeez.
Now, I only have How I Met Your Mother to take this on, but I wonder if the stereotype of Canadians being afraid of the dark is an actual thing, or if it was just in that show.
Okay, yeah. For anybody who might be watching, if you are not Canadian, is that a thing? Do people think we're afraid of the dark? I mean, it's hilarious. I'm just curious. No? No? Alright. No, it's okay.
You can't do the helicopter jump yet?
I don't think so. I think I need a special pack for it. Okay, let's, hey. Why did you do that?
Are they controlled inverted when you do that?
Yes, they are, and I'm not used to inverted controls. For the
There you go.
a hit. I don't have enough bullets left to kill this guy. Oh. Okay, well that was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. Sorry, eh? Didn't mean to take it down so quickly. That's another thing. The other games will pause when you take that out. These are kind of pretty trees.
I don't think so.
You don't think that's it? Oh, okay, well, if they were real life trees.
Well, I mean, I suppose if they were real life trees
Kind of look like mushrooms.
that were kind of that color, those colors, then maybe. But in terms of actual like game models, no, I don't think they're that great.
You're so picky.
Only some of the time. Like, why are you going down the up escalator?
Because I'm a rebel. Oh, this motherfucker. See, he just threw a little bomb at me. This
That
little
guy?
guy. They're always in the background and you can hardly see them and you don't understand why your health is going down.
That's one thing that bugs me about this game is that you only have like the 4 hits, right?
Yeah.
In the next ones, maybe not the very next one, but you eventually get like a health bar, right?
Yep.
And
That levels up as you play.
Yeah.
Actually, as you get hit, it levels up.
really, is that how it levels up?
Yeah. Well, as you hit things and I think as you get hit.
Is it as you get hit, or don't you pick up like little nano boxes, nanotech boxes
No, in this one, that's what happens.
in this one?
Yeah, that's how, like, I think you can get 2 more hit points.
Wait, this guy is the one that gives you like the helicopter.
Yep. Yep.
Cool.
Water. It's healthy for you. Aww. You look so scared.
See, that's something that's kind of weird. Clank is supposed to be like different from the rest of the robots that were being made, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like, so how would this guy know what model number he was and have upgrades for him readily available?
His parts have to be kind of the same, right? He's like so far. I mean, they changed things in the Ratchet and Clank feature things. They kind of changed the canon. Right now, he's sort of just a defect robot, right? So you have the same parts, just
Is that
something
different programming?
maybe. Hold on a sec. Did I not give him a 1,000 volts for the?
Well, yeah, I saw him put the.
Wait.
The helicopter.
There we go. There we go. I knew it was R or L.
Do you get the rocket one in this game too, or is that just in the next one?
No, I'm pretty sure I get it in the sort of vacation island type of thing.
Seems weird to get both upgrades in the same game.
Yeah.
Or-
And when I get the other one, I'll never use this one.
Yeah.
But I don't have to get them again. Like in future games, you'll always have the both of them. And I think in the PS3 ones, they get rid of the heli pack. Like the one that I have now, they get rid of it. And he only has the booster pack or something. I don't remember what they actually call it.
I'm gonna continue calling it a rocket pack.
Yeah, I mean, it is what
Or
it
like
is, right? Jetpack.
It is kind of more of a jetpack because you've got the rocket booster and the wings. That's part of it.
Whoops! I could have pressed the button.
Can you do like a running jump with the helipack in this one? Hey, mark it. Is that your first death so far?
That's my first step.
It's your first death?
Yeah.
I should
Yeah, there it goes.
mark that.
You're marking it? Are you making fun of me?
What? No.
You are. I'm Devin's making fun of me. You jerk. Are you gonna mark every deck? Oh, you little wanker. I've never said that word in my life.
Wanker?
Yeah.
Well, you're not British, so it makes sense. Alright, it's up there now. Death equals 1.
Why did you do that?